Yeah, let me.
Right, it's started recording.
You start recording? Okay.
Yes, sir. Already.
Okay, Shant. So, first of all, we will today we will be talking about how to be more productive during
Productive.
this COVID work from home session.
Right. All right, sir. I was thinking about micro influencers, but it's okay. Let's do that.
We will just come back to that point also. So,
All
in
right.
the beginning, let's talk about the how to be more productive and what should be the schedule for everyone while working from home, so that we don't lose the habit of working from office and within specific schedule. And I find it like working from home is way more difficult than working through the office.
Right.
I'm facing the challenging myself also, because when you are working from office, it means that you have to be in office around 9 o'clock, 9:30, and start working, concentrate on the work. You have at least out of 8 hours, at least 4 or 5 hours of particular day every day are productive.
Right.
And in when you are working from home, it means that you have a lot of distraction. Sometimes mummy from the behind, एक काम कर, ये सब्जी ले आ नीचे से, ये कर ले वो कर ले, इधर बैठ जा थोड़ी देर, उधर आ गया कोई, आ गया, someone at the door, someone knock the door, someone is just selling the vegetable on the street, and you are, there are a lot of distraction. But that is okay, but we need to learn how to deal with these things and still be more productive and energetic also, because working from home is really big challenge. I
Right.
feel it myself. And
I think that it's just as the time goes on throughout the day, we think like this space is not suitable for working. That happens with me.
yeah, exactly, this is the
Right.
this is the biggest thing. And the good thing about me, myself, as I got a separate room now for some time, don't know how long. So uh, this is the example. This is the
There's a
example.
construction over in here as well going on in
The
around
construction is going on, someone at Hug Hug, and some vendor is selling the vegetables, some auto passes by, some tractor come by.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
And
Even sometimes electricity, internet connections.
yeah,
That's
that's also there, because everyone
that's
cannot
a
have backup. Everyone cannot have backup, or in at
so.
office we
Yeah.
have some facilities, but not at home.
So I
And the
think we
biggest
have some organic distractions like traffics and all, and inorganic like electricity and technique and
yeah,
Wi-Fi.
electricity, Wi-Fi. You don't have that stable connection. You don't have a backup connection at home.
Connection definitely. So that's true. And amid all of this, you have to maintain your fitness, health.
And yeah,
You
that is
know.
the biggest thing. You start at 9 o'clock, but the thing is, you start taking the small breaks at home,
Yes.
and which extend your working hours from, instead of by closing at 7 or 6:30 or 7, you end up closing it by 7:30 or 8, and
Right.
you feel like, oh, घर पे ही तो बैठो, मैंने कहाँ जाना है, so let's finish some time. So
Right.
I'm not in favor of this kind of thing, but still, this is the difficult situation, and we need to spend some extra hours. So what my plan is, we need to stick with some kind of schedule, like
Right.
wake up at early in the morning. Early means at least 7 o'clock, so that you have 2 hours in the mornings to get ready, have your morning activities, whatever it is, either lying on the sofa, checking the phone, WhatsApp messages. Some people like to have a news, and some want to have some exercise or walk. That's okay, but still, 2 hours is sufficient for the morning.
Right.
If you wake up at the 7 o'clock,
Right. That's true.
and
So
after,
either way, we can always extend times. Like more time we have in a day, perhaps that will answer. Give us more time to manage our own breaks and manage productivity as well. Right. But that's one way, sir. Other ways like is it like having extra time would answer the productivity, or would be extra space, like having a space that creates the more inspiring environment.
yeah,
You
I
know?
may agree with you. So actually, one more thing that I think everybody's schedule should be something like that. If because we are working on same time zone, same office, same clients, so we should be ready by 9 o'clock.
Right.
And
Right.
I always prefer, if anybody start working, it means that he should have taken the bath.
Right.
So because many of us doing it like getting lazy. ओहो आज तो 8 बज गए हैं, 8:30 हो गया, अब नहा के लेट हो जाऊंगा, मैं पहले काम कर लेता हूँ, then I will take a break in the middle.
I think that's a huge health impact there.
Yeah, that is the
Right.
biggest problem because if we do it for one day, we are going to do it for every day.
Right. And even if if I think hygiene, compromising on hygiene while working from home is like, you know, uh, it's like weighing down work, and there's no like work. It's like weighing down work on work-life balance. Like
Yeah. No, it is
so
not.
you are decreasing life and giving more to work, and it I think it might reduce productivity by the end of the week if you don't take care of your health.
Yeah, and the good thing about working from home is it gives you at least 1 hour extra, at least. Just imagine you wake up, you get ready around 9 o'clock, you leave from the home and reach office at 9:30 and start working. It means that now you are working at 9:30 minutes earlier, and you have to you can spend like a 30-45 minutes. If you have to spend like some extra hours, you can do that, and still you can be within your time frame which you used to be working while from office.
Right. So even if working from home we have more time, still we think that some people might feel that they need extra time to work,
Yeah,
right?
it is
Because
happening.
it is like it's like we are counting our time twice rather
Yes.
than right?
The thing is, we used to take the lunch break 40 minutes.
40 minutes lunch
The
break.
thing is, now we are flexible. It can be 40, 45, 50 minutes. That's okay because we are working from home.
Again,
That
eating healthy at home is like very important. It's like because I think
I think so. At least 5 days in a week we should have, not 7, if not possible 7 days. At least 5 days in a week we should have a healthy breakfast, and then we should have a like a lunch break, tea break, not tea break. It is better if your family can assist you getting you a tea.
of course
Otherwise,
it is going to be coffee break for you, sir.
yeah, it is just like me. I just had a I think you called me and I went out to have a coffee.
Right, I know. Like
So
so, do you think like coffee lovers would need less time to work?
pardon me.
Like coffee lovers would need less time to work
Yeah.
rather than tea lovers who take more time to tea lovers always take time. They
Yeah.
they will analyze, they will like plan, and then then do work. Coffee lovers would be like first plan and then fix and like build and fix more, right?
They need not to like do anything. And for me, what is happening now? Whenever I'm working or I'm just reading anything, I just go grab my cup of coffee, big one, having 12 spoon of sugar and 8 spoon of coffee and a cup of hot water. Beat it.
Right,
So it
yeah.
means that I'm going to beat it for 1 hour now while reading something or checking something, and then rest of the at least 1.5 week I'm free. What I need to do is just because in coffee you need not to put sugar. Now you need not to put sugar. You need not to think tulsi डालूं कि नहीं, सौंफ डालूं कि नहीं.
Right. Personally, I'm a tea lover.
Yeah, just a minute. I need to take this. Hello. 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 So, and in coffee, what is going to happen? Just 1 spoon of bitter coffee, milk, and just put it in microwave, or you just warm the milk and put it in the coffee. That's it.
So it's,
You
it's
sit
like
there.
what I understand from this is like if we have more time, if we start waking up early, then we also need to throughout the day we need to prioritize things. Like you already you
This is
already did the like one for 1 week, you have the coffee reserve for whole week,
yeah.
right? So that
We
that
we
cuts
must
short
have
time.
we must have a plan our whole day. Otherwise, it's not going to work, and you will not be productive at the end of the day. What is going to happen? You spend at least 10 hours for the work, and you were not productive, and
Right.
then your work still left, and you feel tired, and again your performance is down, and everybody is going to ask questions.
Right. Yeah.
If
And
not everybody,
I think
Everyone, at
it's
least
the
in
time
HR.
when you start pointing on things like, you know, this is wrong, this is wrong. I
If
think
not,
that's the time.
everyone is not asking about your productivity, doesn't care, because no one cares about your productivity other than the management and HR. And HR has nothing to do these days while working from home. So she has to point out someone, and it's you. To be frank, so she
Right.
needs something. So you just get in
No,
radar,
I think
her radar.
this is like the time more time wala thing. I think it works for everybody, whether it's management, it's HR, it's employees. It will
I
work
think,
for everybody.
as per my understanding, to be more productive, how our day should start is, even I will try to do it, because my uh, way of doing anything or giving suggestion of anything is apply it on yourself first.
Right. Yeah.
So that's what my plan is from tomorrow. I'm also going to follow the same schedule. Like, I will start at 7 in the a.m. Get up, get fresh, have a glass of water, and then some dry fruits, wet dry fruit like a badam, vara kind of thing, whatever you want, like a 3 or 4. That's okay. That is the gone days when we used to have such kind of family environment. Like, having badam in the family is really very costly luxury thing.
Like, yeah.
I think it is cheaper than fruit now.
Yes, in some ways. Yes.
Yeah, because 1 kg of badam means that, like, you can use it for like next 3 4 months.
Right. Yeah.
But 1 kg of apple you cannot use for 3 4 months.
Right. So that brings me one more question that comes to me, and it's just now I'm like, you know, talking to this, and this is like so much exploratory things that we can explore while talking on these topics like time, space, and, you know, health and all. So is it possible that, you know, we can schedule our organic things as well, like, you know, our chai wo, like, you know, doodh kab aaye, you know, some these things that comes to our house, which takes our time, you know, press wala kab aa raha hai, and then I think we need to schedule those organic things as well. Ki press wale ko you have to, you know, give a time that, you know, come at this time, and then
Yeah, let's do one thing. Let's make it more interesting, and I think we let's involve HR also. So we will have more options.
right, all right.
At least, if not options, at least we will have one spectator.
Right. I think yeah, you know, even if we have more time, we have to utilize it both ways. You know, fixing our technical things and fixing our organic things as well.
Yeah,
Do you think so? Is it
yeah. I think so. We should
is it
have.
the is it the like the right direction to use the more time part?
Yep, I agree with you.
All right.
Because when what my planning is, as you get ready, take bath and get ready for the work, dress well. Yes,
Right.
Sakshi. We
Hi.
are, Shant, or we are talking about how to be more productive while working from home in
Right.
this COVID-19 situation. And this situation is going to be forever, seems like that. So, if not forever, at least for this 2020.
2020. Yeah.
So,
Definitely.
my wife was telling me that she has read somewhere, uh, in 2020, positive word is the most negative.
Most cases
Negative.
negative, right?
How? If you are corona positive, it means जिंदगी बर्बाद, 20 दिन खत्म आपके.
Right.
So in 2020, being positive is really very negative.
Right. I'm sure that there's always, you know, the cure is coming up. I heard the news about the cure. They were like,
It
you know,
will
they
take
have
time.
will
Yeah,
be
it is coming. Trials are going on, like 3 4 trials are going on, but it will
right.
take time.
It will
And
take
the problem is not cure is coming or not. The problem is uh, if we are infected or not,
right. So yeah. Uh,
because it is spreading. It is okay if you got infected, at least, if not more, at least 3 to 5 days it's going to take,
right.
and your 1 week, at least 1 week time is gone. It's okay, you are not going to die, but still 1 week is gone. So the good thing is, if this problem can be finished from the root.
Right.
As
I
per
think which brings back us to, you know, keeping with our health. and our fitness, and staying more hygiene, practicing hygiene practices every day, so that we can precautionary measures, so that we can avoid these things.
The only thing is, if you are sitting at home and nobody is going outside, and then just washing the hand every 1 hour, it doesn't make sense.
Right, yeah.
I'm sitting here in my room and working for the next 10 hours. Nobody's entering my room, nobody's going outside, and I keep on washing my hands for every 2 hours.
Right,
That's
yeah.
logical. But still, you never know.
All right. So, which brings me to the question, like, about the fitness. If we have like whole day we work, like from 9 to 7 we are working, and then there's home chorus, home do things. Do you think that fitness is being neglected these days? Or
Yeah,
I think,
definitely. I can tell you that personally. My
because
fitness
I'll
goals.
add to this. Because definitely I can see many people are cycling. Many people are posting fitness
This is
pics.
this is happening these days, because I have noticed that most of the many people uh,
Like
out of
they are even
out
in
of
Sukna, like they are cycling style.
3 to 4 people out of every 10 people are cycling.
Right. Yes, they're increasing
So
in cycling. But then again, they are moving out where the pandemic is affecting. They are.
the
It's a
problem
bit.
is we don't have in the area where we are living, just we are not living in Chandigarh. Like Sakshi, she is actually living in New Chandigarh. She has one extra thing that is new. Chandigarh is there, but new also. And she's lucky that she got a good environment around there, park and all those things. Traffic is not that, air is clean, and we are unfortunately living in the area and where every seconds, I don't know how much cubic centimeter of sand is entering my home. So and there is no park,
There is
and
a constructions going on in my locality.
constructions also, and so many no park also. After 7 years of living in this area, I came to know that there is a natural park near my village.
Right.
Nature park, not natural park, it's nature park. But unfortunately, that nature park is not managed since
Right.
it is declared as a nature park. So
Right.
we
That's
just
true.
cannot use it.
Sure.
So that is the adda for the shady criminals, the
Yeah.
specific adda, and
I mean
we just
that's.
go
I
there.
think that we are going, like, it's an ugly truth for our society. That's
Yeah, and let me one more thing.
something.
I have my childhood was uh, right from 1980s to I can say that 2000, 2000, not actually 2000. Yeah, 2000. At least 21 year of my life I spent in Chandigarh. Never feel like that because I know the importance of the park. Now, with my baby, I feel like, yeah, where should I take him for play? And this
Right.
COVID-19 situation, I cannot even take him out of the door, main door.
Yeah, that's true. I think that, so which brings back me to the space wala part. Like, while working from home, how important it is to having a chair, a specific chair. Like you,
Exactly.
I think we talked it earlier as well.
Yes, right. Okay, let's do one thing. Sakshi, you also add your points also. So what we were talking about, like how to be more productive while working from home, and this is going to be our uh, first uh,
Like
blog,
it's
our
a,
web.
it's a, it's a, it's a podcast sort of, pod blog.
Yeah. So it's going to be published on our website, and we are recording this conversation. And once it is done, Sushant will write a blog.
Right.
Okay.
Okay,
Sir, can we call it pod blog?
code blog. Yeah. So you can call it whatever you want. Either you can.
Because we are in a pod, like in our homes, and we are not moving out, and seems like a blog as well. So a pod blog.
So that's okay. Okay. So what I am thinking is we must start our day at least 2 hours before starting the work.
Good. Yeah.
It
Okay.
means that we are starting at 9 o'clock, so we must wake up at 7 o'clock. So
Seven.
that yeah, 7:30, at least 7 or 7:30.
Right.
And instead of starting our day with the coffee, we should start with the water or some dry fruits, or maybe green tea, lemon
I
green
mean,
tea.
it's like planning our whole first meal.
Yeah, we must plan this thing so that if our body is energetic, we feel healthy, we are healthy actually mentally or physically, we can be more productive.
Well, sir, it is very interesting in here as well, because like, I'm not living with my family, so I can plan my meals. Do you think like the person living with the family would not plan a meal?
No, I'm living with family and I'm planning my meal every week, every
We
day.
can plan our meals.
And Sakshi knows better because she heard very sound. आज क्या बनाना है? अब क्या बनना है? So me and my wife do one thing like normally we plan our breakfast for whole week.
Right. That's
On Monday we can have this. On Tuesday we can have that. It is quite difficult sometimes like planning on which day what we are going to eat what. Instead of that, if we have like a 7 to 10 options, we have 10 options. We can keep on picking. Like we can have one option out of those 10. Tick. This week this is done. The next day, 5 days, 6 days left, and we left with 9 options.
right. It's like balancing the whole vitamins and minerals. So
Right.
that- so
Yeah.
that,
You just sit. You just sit on the some free day and then plan it out and then write it, note it down, and then you can start working. But it is a normal people says that it is always good that having a breakfast like a king kind of thing. But these days, that's not the right way. We should have a balanced diet. And yesterday I was watching a documentary related to the Virat Kohli, and there were some articles also going on over the internet. So how he eat. So
Right.
he eat in a bowl, and he always measure that
right, yeah.
on weighing machine. So how much it is?
That's
How
good.
grams he is inhaling.
Yeah, what calories he's taking, what kind of vitamins,
Intake of his
also
diet.
everything. That's okay. He is a sportsman person and he has to that. And the other thing is, he has luxury to do that because he's earning millions of dollars per month. So that's okay. But we
Right.
cannot go to that level. But at least we can plan out like what we should eat in the morning. We should have a light breakfast in the morning, not light, very light, but proper protein. Protein contains in the morning, so that protein keep your carbs
Which this brings me to another question. I don't know why I have so many questions today, but then again, so even though people have money, like people are earning money as an employee, do you think that they need to learn how to invest in food, or like not to invest, is it like how to spend, how to plan a spend on food itself? Because many people have, like we all are earning, right?
Actually,
But
earning is not a problem. Here, people awareness of health is important, and people don't care about it. They just give less importance to what type of food you think, what
they are
type
junk
of
food. One of the best thing about COVID-19 would be like there's like no momos, less junk food was there for a couple of
I can tell
months.
you one thing.
I don't find
Biggest,
it a good thing.
I can tell you one more thing. One more thing that you can just note down. And Sakshi, especially you, this COVID-19 is going to save you a lot of money.
Right, yeah. See, that's what I was going, So like, for
Yeah.
food wise, because Sakshi ma'am, between you and me, I think we have not spent a single rupee on momos for past 5 to 6 months.
Yeah, right.
Since not even, we
There's
spent.
no chowmin, there's no Manchurian, and the burgers.
It's been 6 months
Wait,
now.
I-
There is
I
no
have-
burger also. Sakshi, it's been 6 months. No burger also.
No,
Just
sir.
McD burger. No.
I had a burger today. Today itself.
So you see the difference. You start moving out of home and you start eating unhealthy.
Yeah.
The thing. And the biggest thing is this COVID-19. I learned how to make like a juice of water lemon juice. Just like, yeah, that was really awesome. And I was just missing the beach area or some waterfall or some hill station like a Dharamshala, or we just sit there and have a water lemon juice. That's the thing. And another thing I learned, I spend at least 25,000 rupees yearly.
That's true. So I think awareness is very important. So for the health wise as well. See, water lemon juice would not cost that much, but many people think that it is very costly to have a water lemon juice at home, right?
Mostly.
Because in the life, like in my lifestyle, in my neighbor's lifestyle, I think I have seen very less people who makes water lemon juice at home. But it's like I have watermelon today in my fridge, and it's a perfect idea to make it out the juice.
It is actually it is all about like how interested you are making the new things.
Right. Yeah.
How you deal with like a plant. Okay, let's have something different because having watermelon is not a problem, costly. You just go buy a 1.5 kg of watermelon, and I think it is sufficient for 2 or 3 people, at least
Yes.
3 people. And then
for one people, it's like for 3-4 glasses.
yeah, 3-4 glasses. Yeah. If you don't have big one, then it is
And
okay.
it tastes good also, water lemon juice.
Yeah, because this is
So
it is
yeah, means more lemon and all that, then
what.
it's
Yeah, what I did is it gave me a lot of freshness. What I did is I cut the watermelon in 3 parts. Out of one part, and that was I think 2 kg watermelon. One part, 1/3 part was used. I just make the juice, and then what I did is I just put it in ice bowl
Right.
and
So
freeze it. Freeze it. Then
it's
I
like,
make. Mhm.
sorry, please go on.
When I make it, convert it, make it a juice. What I use those ice cubes instead of ice.
Right, yeah.
Means in watermelon, you have a watermelon ice cubes.
So somewhere there is a blogger in you, I'm 100% sure.
Yeah, you just follow because whole India is cooking and sharing the video. This is
Right.
what happened. So
And
you
that's
will
actually
find a nice video about it, how to make a watermelon juice, and there is nothing, no rocket science. Okay, let's not go on that much deep in the food cooking side.
yes.
So
I was coming back to productivity also.
okay, so we were just thinking about like how to be productive. So the most important part is once you started your days, have your breakfast. Just don't forget to take bath. Many people are doing it. I am telling you, many people are doing it. Just don't forget to take. Sometimes what happens, it's okay. Sometimes like you have an early morning meeting. That's okay. You need not to take bath before meeting. Yeah, it's okay. It is always good. I was following a documentary of Bill Gates.
Right.
That man is waking up approximately 5:30 or 6 a.m. every time in the morning. That man lives in a wood area, a small house.
Right. Yeah.
Okay, because he feel like connected with the nature and he can think over there. He walks to the office
That's true.
and he work and work until he don't sleep.
Right.
So I don't want to follow that life because there is no use if you keep on working and working and working and working that, and at of the end of the life you just die. So you have many other things also. So just take bath, get ready for the office in the very 30 minutes, first 30 minutes of the morning. What you need to do is just log in, make sure you logged in everywhere. First of all, check your email. Don't check your work, check your email.
Right.
If there is any important, no need to review each and every email. Just review if there is any important email. You will know yourself if it is important or not. If it is from your CEO, it's important. If it is important from your CTO, it's important. Team lead, important. HR, important. Your director, important. Other than that, anything, just leave it. So you see that. Now, next thing is just go to your project management PMS, check how many tasks you have assigned. Then prioritize which task is on the priority, which are on less priority. Then plan out, okay, I'm going to do all those tasks today for sure. Then start. It means that in first 20 to 20, 15 to 20 minutes, you will plan out your rest of the day. Okay, start working, use some nice music,
Right. Yeah.
but not from very first hour of the morning. Just keep concentrate and start working. After like 1 and 1.5 hour, you start feeling a little bit dizzy, and then you start using the music. Around 11:30, just have a cup of tea or coffee. Coffee is always better because as we were just discussing, it saves time. Tea means you need to plan out. Should we use a kind of like a black salt or black pepper on in the sugar? No. Tulsi या फिर maybe extra sugar या फिर अदरक या फिर कुछ भी. So and but in coffee you just know that you need coffee and milk.
That's
That's
it.
it.
That's it. You know,
And
that's
if you are
it
black,
depends upon taste actually. Coffee.
if you love you are black coffee lover, then what you need is hot water coffee. That's it. No sugar.
okay.
And you just keep working.
So,
Okay, that's
so
okay.
let's suppose, sir, let's start from the back this time. Like, you know, what if the product is already low for a person? You know, it's like already the person is not performing well. and then now we have to take him to the productive levels in this amid of COVID things.
Actually, the problem is not like a person is not productivity is not. It has nothing to do with the basic things. It has everything to do with your mentality and the way you are approaching. That's what I'm telling you. If you are low productive or not productive or high productive, doesn't matter. If you are planning your day, very 15 minutes of your beginning of your month day, it
Right.
means that you are setting your targets. That is the most important thing. Once you set the targets, you need to work according to, okay, I need to complete this, I need to complete that, and always keep a notebook with you so that you can keep ticking, okay, this is done, this is done. It gives you good feeling, okay, out of 10, 2 is done. And once you start feeling a little bit lazy busy, then you start listening your music, and always try to listen the music with your headphone, not earphone.
Okay.
Headphone gives you some cushion and comfort level, but earphone after 1 hour, 2 hours, it give you like a small pain in the ear, and that's not good thing.
Right.
And one more thing, you just don't listen the music turning or playing on the your speakers.
Yeah.
That doesn't help you. That distract you. But if you use your headphone, it cut you off from rest of the world after 10 minutes or 5 minutes. And try to listen every time, try to listen some soothing music. But that's my vision. If you want to listen some sad music, that's okay. But the thing is, mentality is, if you're listening the sad music, it means that you are giving not positive energy to your mind.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's true. Yeah.
So
And
just
it's true. I think one of the key point to learn in here was emotionally resilient. One
yeah,
should be emotionally resilient, and I think it's very important. Ab aage ke liye forward.
right.
You
And
know,
one more thing I'm
I
telling
have
you, I'm using my headphone, specific headphone, especially headphone I'm using only when I feel so much distracted, and I decided, okay, I need to finish it now. Doesn't matter how much it is going to be. I put my headphone, don't care who is calling or messaging me, and just cut off the rest of the word and do it.
is it like working from home is impacting on confidence of people as well?
Yeah,
You think?
definitely, because what I think is, if you are not meeting the peoples, you are not talking about different things, and
You're not
you know,
communicating actually.
yeah, actually you are not communicating, that's right. And if you're not communicating, it means that you don't have much information. Your mind is just like a work, sleep, work, sleep, and stuck in,
Everything is limited.
Right.
you stuck within family things. So that's what is happening. So I think we
So
should, Shakti, we should do one thing, like we should introduce, start a session, like we can involve 2 3 people, or maybe 5 people or 10 people maximum. We have a limit of 10 people using on the team. uh, we can have a video call and just talk about the basic things. We can have a like small games remotely,
right.
mind games,
Yeah.
fun games. So we just, that gives some freshness to the people.
Hmm.
And then now, so we reach at 11 o'clock. So what is going to happen at 11 o'clock, while having a tea or coffee? Just take a small break of 5 or 10 minutes, and don't go away from your system. Just check your email now, every email. So it means being productive. For to be being productive, don't check every email in the morning. Check your emails around 11 o'clock. But very first hour in the morning, you just go through all emails, just view them. Okay, this is important. Open an email which seems important. Otherwise, leave the rest of the emails. And now you review every email till 11 or 11:30. Now concentrate on the rest of the work. See if you need to change your plan for rest of the day to be more productive. Things are going on right way. If you are doing some R&D and you're still not getting the results, don't wait and keep on doing the R&D. Just contact your senior. That is the
Right.
most important thing. If you don't contact your senior, it means you end up losing your day. And a senior is a senior because he has spent so many years on these things, and he might have some answer for that. It is not necessary every time senior has answer, but it is like assume, we can assume that they must have.
It's like like planning for leveraging things that already we have. you
Yeah,
know like finding on strengths that we already have, and then rediscovering it during these times, so that like you told, like seniors always have a solution. Most of the time seniors would have a solution. Most of the
Yeah,
times,
or they can help you to get a solution.
Yeah.
or they can,
This way
yes.
or that way
Right.
they can give you some guidance.
And is it like, Sakshi, have you met many people that they, they find their solution by themselves, but it takes too long time,
Yeah,
like,
right.
week or so, rather than fixing that would we have fixed with the help of senior in like 1 or 2 days.
Right.
It is equal to the same concept like a justice delayed is no justice,
That's
right? Since there is something happened at the age of 22 with you, and you get the justice at the age of 60, what
it's
you are
it's
gonna
it,
do
it,
with this?
it's like a property वाला जैसे law case चले जाते
Yeah,
हैं, court में, and then
yeah,
Selfish.
your
exactly,
property will,
exactly. At
You
22, you
and
could
the
have
case is
used those
still
1
going
crore
on.
rupees. Like at 22, you might have used those 1 or 5 crore rupees for something like you can have a good bike, you can have a good lifestyle, okay. And at 60, you can use those 5 crore like having a life insurance, health insurance, so that you don't have to pay much, or you can have some good medical things. And
Yeah, the thing is that you got the answer, but you got it so late that your whole time is wasted.
right,
Everything is delayed.
it is simpler thing. Just take it like you need salary at around first of every month or 10th of every month, right?
right,
And if you get salary after 3 months, what's going to happen?
right.
You know
Of
that
course,
you will get it.
it's
You
like,
know that
yes.
you will get it. But
But everything is mismanaged, and
it is same thing. Salary delayed is salary not paid.
right, kind of.
Yeah. So I think it is always good that you just try some time. But there are some situations, and when you have luxury of having more time, luxury of time, you can keep on doing the R&D and try to find a solution yourself, because it also boosts your confidence.
Right.
But not every time.
Not
Not
every
every
time.
time.
But I think confidence does boost. Sorry, social communication does boost your confidence.
Definitely,
That's a
definitely.
that's a
That's
fact.
the most important part.
Right.
And now let's move from 11 further 11:30. So we just had the tea break. Now after 11:30, we can plan out if we need to change in our plan of the rest of the day, or we're still going to just plan out like your lunch break is for 40 minutes. Have the lunch break for 40 minutes only. Don't extend it so that you don't get habitual of it. The
Right.
very
You are
minute,
having a schedule that you are having 40 minutes of lunch, and
yeah, the very minute you start thinking like घर से तो काम कर रहे हैं, मैं तो इतना काम करता हूँ तो 5 मिनट लेट भी हो गया तो क्या? It is not going to affect any of us. It is going to affect you and your schedule and your habit. When I used to running high stuff. What I used to plan is target. Okay, I need to run till that pole. Okay? So my friend was used to go with me, and he just a habit of stopping 1 or 2 steps behind.
Right.
And I always keep like some challenge for me, and I decide, अगर मैंने call cross नहीं किया, I
So
don't.
Naveen sir, you're breaking in between.
yeah, your voice is breaking.
Is it okay now?
Yes.
So what I used to give the target for me is, अगर मैंने वो Paul cross नहीं किया, then I don't deserve this thing or that thing. It gives me confidence. I have to cross that Paul because I deserve this thing.
Right.
So
I think that's a
There is a
very
distortion.
deep thing in here about the deserve wala thing, because it's like many people, because of the low confidence, they think that they are not deserving many things. I think it works in business as well,
yeah,
and in life,
definitely
both.
it works
In
in
both
business.
life and business, if you are not confident enough, you think that you're not deserving. You're not you're not worthy to get certain things.
Right, actually, this gives you sometime like sometime what happens when you are very low in your life, everything is not happening as per your require and understanding your expectations. It doesn't mean that you don't deserve it. It means that you need some extra push. Some
Yeah, you need some hard
yeah,
work.
you need to do something, some hard work. Same situation happened in the month of May. We were low in the business, everything was not working, and I know that me, Sakshi, Manoj, how much we planned.
Right.
This is not going to work. This that is not going to work. I don't know what people react, they will react. Then we have to do it,
Right.
and somehow it is good thing. I'm very happy, and I was able to Sakshi, I was able to sleep well since last 2 days because I was sure that we are going to.
So you are breaking again. We are breaking again.
So what I was
Let's
saying
hear,
that
let's hear this one more time. Like it was, you know,
so
Yeah.
since last 2 days because
because
we did
we have come from that phase also. You know, from May
yeah
wala phase.
yes right.
Now it's
So what we really worked hard. Manoj did really work hard. We planned so many things, and I tried to be more responsible for the things, and more responsive also. Responsible means that whenever my business developer Naresh message me, I respond him immediately
He
because
was
that's how
available
we are going to get.
24/7.
Yeah. So he keep on messaging me every anytime, and whenever I get message, I respond within a minute or two, and things start turning around. Since then, we start getting, we got lucky also, and that is the thing. Since last 2 days, I was able to sleep well. That gives me good feeling. When I go to bed, I don't need to think about how much we are going to get paid for this thing or that thing. We know that we are able to cross the finish line. So that is the thing. But this is not the end of the thing.
right.
It is
Of
keep on
course.
going. It is business is kind of like a survival of the fittest. I think few years back, that was there was something written on some article or somewhere. I don't remember exactly. The whole situation, the whole world is working the working this way that survival of the fittest. Either it is in the
So you are breaking once again.
Yeah, I missed everything of the last 1 to 2 minutes.
just a minute. Let me stop video. I think it is. So can you hear me now?
Yes, we can use.
Okay. So what I was saying that few years back, I read somewhere survival of the fittest. There was a small story behind that. Survival of the fittest. It means that in whole world, in whole universe, only the thing which is fit, which is active, which is working towards the progress, is going to survive. Either it is in the school, either it is in the business, either it is in your schools, wherever you, if even if it is if in the forest also. A lion wake up with the vision that he has to run fast so that he can catch his his prey, and a deer wake up with the idea or a vision in mind. He has to run fast so that he can survive and he can be safe from the lion. So for both, they have to run fast. The only thing is the person or the thing is going to lucky is who run faster.
Right. So would it be understatement that by preparing things in advance, you can be you can leave this cutthroat competition and shine out with your own things like own
Yes,
brand,
right.
own selling,
It is.
own skills.
Okay, just a minute. I need to take this call. Hello. हाँ जी. नहीं हाले तो नहीं देख रहा यार. Okay.
The credit card here.
So अभी ये था कि we need to plan in advance, but it is okay, right? That we cannot plan each and everything. Just like COVID-19 situation, this you cannot plan.
Yes, of
You
course.
can't. This is what it is. You cannot plan it, but it is always right that if you plan at least 70 to 80% things or things you can tackle with easily, and you can face those things better than other ones. So Sakshi, you remember I think 6-7 months ago, we start planning that we must have laptop instead of desktop for everyone,
Yeah, right.
and that thing paid off at in this COVID-19 situation.
I think so. You have mentioned it like 3, 4 times. I think this is like one of the key that the key that in our business that helps us to to move forward in progress. Having laptops rather than workstation was the
Yeah,
best decision, I
actually,
believe.
that discussion we had, I think 5-7 months back. It is almost 1 year, I think so.
Right.
Me and Manoj and Sakshi were discussing what we should have. Manoj had a vision that we should have desktop because desktop has a more life.
Yeah,
Right.
then laptop.
I
Right.
had a vision that we should have laptop because laptop is more flexible.
That's true.
Life is less, but I was more towards the flexibility. Since Sushant is working from home, he cannot come office today, but he can work from home. He has some urgent work at home, like a couple of hours, and around 11:30 he got free, and he just decided that now he can go to office. He moved from the home 11:30 and reach office at 12:30. It means that 1 hour more goal. So
Definitely.
it is better. Like let him work from home. He can start at 11:30 right away, and can work instead of 6:30 can work like 7:30 or 8, and it saves time.
He's not wasting his 1 hour in traveling.
Exactly. And this
I think this brings me to one of the question that we faced. When we it was just start of the COVID thing, and we faced a situation that if you are working from home, then you have to you should get paid for internet as well and electricity as well. That would be consumed while working. I think that particular question that came up during this time is something that I need to take as a base level, like because many people would be facing these things, and then but we build on top of it, right? Like we took decisions on this.
Yeah, actually, what my vision was, it's okay that if in normal condition, if we are forcing you to work from home,
Right.
then that's our
But I think
responsibility.
would it be like, then again, on this particular note, would it divide like to like management and employee? Like, I think everybody is like we work as a one unit. So
Yes, right.
there are
That
certain things like, because that is why I keep this question as a base level, because below this it breaks the unity, I guess, somewhere.
Yeah, let me tell you one thing. What my vision regarding that is, because we had given a deep thought on that also, and there was few things like being an IT person.
Right.
The number one,
Yeah.
being an IT person, you don't have internet, so you don't deserve to be an IT.
Right.
Because
Like,
if you have internet, it means that you are increasing your knowledge. You are doing so many things. You are learning things and all those things. You just cannot think say that you are working in office for 8 hour or 10 hour and you are learning things over there only. While coming back to home, you don't go for new skill set.
I,
Okay.
I think it would be surprising for many people that they hear learning and office in a same statement.
Yeah.
Because many people would come to office to give themselves, to give their productivity and skills, and only a handful of office would use office and learning in a same statement. Did you get my
Ex-
point, sir?
yeah. That's what I'm coming
Right.
to. The second thing
I
is,
think that would be like our top level.
yeah.
We have a base level and top level.
Second thing is having a laptop or desktop at home.
Right.
That is okay if you don't have a desktop or laptop. That raises a question. If you don't have computer at home, it doesn't matter laptop or desktop, it means you are not increasing your skills, right?
Right. Definitely, I think this would be like, this is the next thing that we need for everybody, because even in my family, they suddenly everybody recognize that they should have Wi-Fi at home, because children are getting education on mobiles and
So
laptop.
it doesn't mean that you start
It's
asking
so,
your
So
school.
suddenly moms were like, there would be like dal, chawal, ration, pani, or Wi-Fi.
Yeah, right, exactly. And you just cannot ask your school why does have
Yeah,
Wi-Fi
and
because we are
you,
being free.
of course, yeah, you cannot ask school to give Wi-Fi bills for you. That's
And
right.
now next thing, let's come to the second point now. So we planned about that also, but the thing is, we just cannot. If we have a team of like a 500 people, 50 people later down the road, we just cannot provide the internet to everyone, right? it is your necessity. It is for you also. You are not going to use the internet only for the work. You are going to use it for your movies also, your entertainment also, and the other way around. If you are not, if we few people of our team were just calculating the price, we are paying like internet also. We are paying for the electricity. Okay, you don't want to pay for this. Everyone is dealing with the situation. We are also. I'm working from home, right?
Right.
With you guys.
Right.
And still, Sakshi, how many internet connection we are paying in the office?
3.
Three. At least 12,000, 10,000 to 12,000 internet connection we are paying in the office,
Yeah, minimum 12, 12, 12 and a half.
right? So it means, and still, I'm not, Sakshi, am I paying my office, home internet from office?
No.
Right, sir. So let me bring you to the afternoon wala part from in our schedule. Like
Yeah.
like during 2 to 5, I think everybody gets lazy at home, especially
Yeah.
at home.
Yeah.
Not in office, because office has two to five office. Like during afternoon, like from 2 to 5 in office would be like a productive time, right? Because
Yeah, it is
you
productive
have
or
everything in,
some people,
by the time it's 2, everything is under control. You're working on your own task. You know what days it is going to be,
actually,
and
what happened after 2 o'clock, after the lunch break is in office, you start waiting for your tea break.
right.
I'm telling you, because I have been that part. Okay, there are
Right.
two
So I
things.
think I think that is
I
why
was
managers always know about the employee sections as well.
because I worked for like 4 or 5 years, and I know that I have been other side of the table also.
Right. Yeah.
So I understand that mentality. So after lunch break, we start keep waiting for a tea break.
That's how
Uh,
the time passes.
yeah. Okay. So let's we, just only 2 hours, and let's come finish this. But that is a productive part also, because
Right.
we
Yeah.
have only 2 hours. Let's finish this thing, and then go for the tea break. Okay. So you start working and concentrating on the things. Sometimes you get some light music and just and then around 5 o'clock you can have another tea break. 4:30 or 5, same like in office, whatever the time we have. Then that
I
15
I just have one question, sir. Like, since we are working from home, what do you think would be the best time to have meetings? Like I chose 12 noon because I thought like 12 noon is something, in the mid of the day, and we can decide what next we have to do in a whole day, and then we have covered the.
actually depend upon the type of meeting. Like this kind of discussion, just basic discussion, I given you time of 12 o'clock because till that time I would have completed all my basic
Yes, exactly.
things,
I
urgent
have.
meetings and tasks. So if meeting is just general discussion, you can have meeting around 12 o'clock or 3 or 3:30, because 3 or 3:30 is, as you just mentioned, that it is a lazy time. So that's
I
a
just
lazy
I just
time.
mentioned it for some of the people, not everybody.
So it is a lazy time. So lazy कहते हैं ना, lazy नहीं है, तो that time
Right.
3:30, and sometimes there some meetings are very refreshing. It just wipe off all the laziness from your mind, and just you start feeling
I
fresh.
think it's just because of the communication that happens. People got to talk about the really things that you need to talk about rather than talking about everything else, right? So,
And I one more thing. While working from home, people are not communicating with each other.
Right.
They just keep on working and working and working. I think we should have an moment of something like that. We can have like a 5 minute talk, but the problem is uh, we can give the liberty, but people want that whatever happens should be part of our 9 to 7 job.
right.
They don't want to spend extra time for other
So
activities
I think,
or
sir, I
We
think
can be flexible.
I think there is some I think there's some gap, something like there would be some things would be like must to do, like in a meeting, right? I think that's what you want to talk about. Okay, like
Yeah,
people think it could happen, it would happen, it should happen, or
yes, but
or
actually,
all that. I think we have to transform it would be to like it must happen every day, something like this. Do you think so, sir?
let me explain you in another way.
Right.
If we work like 9 to 7 is good thing. We are working 9 to 7. That's okay. That is the basic standard. But
Right.
if our work demands, we can work 9 to 9. If there is no requirement, we can work 9 to 6. If we have okay kind of thing like a don't no pressure kind of situation, we can work exactly 9 to 7. But that question never raised like yaar hamara time to ho gaya, because me and Sakshi has faced such kind of situations so many times. We don't have any problem with like people who are leaving at sharp 6:30 or 7. We don't have any problem until it is not required.
So
Some
I was just hearing yesterday, I was reading on LinkedIn that one person took an interview of other person and she gave a very good presentation. But then again, she doesn't chose her because she thought like for a fast-paced working environment, she would not be, good enough. And then she gave her recommendation to other office and then she was selected. So is it because like, we have seen our businesses working in a slow-paced environment, whereas in IT, the business works in a bit faster way? Do you think so?
No, it is not like that. Like it is more about the mentality and how you reach towards the approach towards the situation. Like let me tell you one thing. I did did job for 5 years, 2005 to 2009 or 10, and there was time when I used to work for like 16 hours in a day, two different shifts, 16 or 17 hours.
No.
My time was like I wake up at 4 a.m. in the morning, and there was e classes at 4:30. I managed that. Around 6 o'clock I leave from home for my office, and then 6 to 9 I manage my ET tutorial office, EMAT 360, and then around 9 o'clock I leave from sector 22 to Mohali 8 phase, do my regular job. At 6:30 get free from there, 6:30 or 7 I leave again. I reach back to my EMAT 360 office, and I leave from that office around 10:30, 10 or 10:30, and then go back to home. After 10:30, at 11 o'clock I get free, and in between 11 o'clock to 4 o'clock I used to sleep and used to plan how I can start my own business.
Right.
And I did it for at
It's
least
like making extra time of your day, so that rather than
and I did it for at least 1.5 years. And after that, I have taken a call. Okay, I need to quit the job so that I can concentrate over there. But the thing is, 1.5 year, and I never feel lazy. I never complained about like I don't have time.
Right.
So, and there was time like for 6 months. Of course, it was. We never ask our company like we are going. It's 7 o'clock, so it means that we are done for today. We will do the rest of the work tomorrow. It means that if work is there, just give 100%. We don't think about like how much time it is going to take. We are here to work. At the end of the month, I know that this much salary is. I was getting salary 11,500 only, and I know that that is not enough. And I was having like 3 of experience.
Right.
You can compare it with yourself. So me, my friend Navish, and there are a couple of more friends, and we used to work for doesn't matter how much time it is going to take, we will finish it. And next day we come back to office with same enthusiasm, and that enthusiasm is missing. People don't share the ideas. People don't come up with ideas. People don't give us the solution of the problem.
Right. Yeah. Right.
So there is a poster in our lab. It is saying that.
Are you here with the problem or with your solution?
Yeah.
Right.
So that is a real fact. 99% of the people in our office are part of problem. They are not. They don't come with solution. And when we had a smaller company, we had many people who used to come up with solution. And Sakshi, you know that when we have any kind of discussion in the meeting, 90% of the people just don't respond.
They don't respond. They don't react.
They even out of those 90% people, 50 or 40 or 50% people don't react.
Yeah. I think I've been in that zone as well.
Even
when
you know that when sometime when I address our team, so I try to involve everyone by asking questions.
Right. That's true.
So
So moving to the end of the days, like like
so
like
I think
it's time. Let's suppose it's like 5 to 6:30 that we need to wrap up by 6:30.
So
Let's
6:30 we need to wrap up by 6:30. We need to plan out like are we going to make it by 6:30 or not? If not, then we need to plan out if we need to finish it, because we have given target to ourselves and we have to finish it. Doesn't matter. We have to cross the finish line. And once you have that habit, you will every time you will fulfill your challenge. You will complete your challenge. You will fulfill your every project's requirement and meet your deadlines. And now next thing is, whenever you start wrapping up your day, always try to give a detailed feedback to your senior, so that they never have to ask you any question.
Right.
Because many people do one thing, like they just leave the feedback updates. Okay, done this, बस 5 टास्क थे 3 हो गए हैं, बाकी 2 का क्या हुआ, we don't know. So it is always good that if you at the end of that mail you mention that these 5 tasks, out of those 5 tasks 3 tasks has been done and I have tested it properly and completed ये जो भी है, and rest of the 2 tasks I am working on 1 task and this is 50% done. I should be able to finish it by tomorrow morning or tomorrow noon, and the rest of the 5th task will be done by 3 o'clock. It gives a idea to your team lead, senior or manager, like, okay, this is how it is going to be, and the same way he will convey to the client. This is a clear communication.
I think it comes from the productivity as well.
Yeah, definitely.
Like how would you take your productivity, like because so some people would be like they should not leave any task for tomorrow, and then that should be like that's the decision of the day.
It's okay if you let me tell you one thing. If you have to leave the task for tomorrow, that is okay. But the thing is, if you think that the task is of only like a 30-40 minutes or 1 hour, it means that you are leaving it for tomorrow is not right. Just finish it, and
right.
It gives you confidence and the understanding that next time whenever you start working such kind of thing, you need to be more efficient.
I think it works for all levels of organization. They need to take very wise choices, wise decisions, like what should be done tomorrow, what should not be done.
Yeah,
because definitely I agree that we work in a very bit fast-paced environment. That for me.
Definitely it is, because you just cannot leave everything every time.
Right, exactly. There's certain things.
Situation also, if the situation is like you have to finish the project in 5 days, like by Friday, and it's to Monday. Some people think that it's okay to leave the project some task for tomorrow. We will wrap it up by tomorrow. But for me, my understanding is it's not okay. Because
that's like 2 type of people.
Yeah, what we should do is we should spend the extra efforts, extra time in first 3 days, so that we can get the extra margin on the last 2 days.
Right.
So it means that it is one and the same thing. Either you
it's planning your own productivity.
Yeah.
So that
this is a competitive world. IT is competitive. What we are doing these days is, some people has a question. Sakshi knows that. Some people has a question like, I am doing the 12-hour working for the 12 hours in a day.
Right.
Why my salary is getting deducted? Right, Sakshi?
Yes, sir.
But
I think it's like it's forever be going a question. Like it's going to be forever a baseline. The more employees going to come up, there would be some few employees who will always ask certain questions. That we are working, should I get paid or not? Where's the Wi-Fi bill coming in? Where's the electricity? Who's going to pay?
Yes, right.
सुबह तो टाइम से बुला लेते और शाम को टाइम से जाने नहीं देते. I think we all.
Questions every day.
This is Sushant. Actually, to be frank, this is part of our job. People are you cannot make happy everyone.
Yeah, that's true. Right? I think
even people are not happy in Google also.
Right.
People are
we have to focus on such good people who can actually do. I think everybody does it.
Yeah.
Because if you focus,
happy, even Google, not Microsoft, not even Adobe. So these are one of the biggest company of the world, right? And there was a company in Chandigarh also. If you have heard about that name, my friend was working in. Many friends were working in that company. I know. No, not I know. Bassware.
Right. There are many companies.
Bassware is one of those company that was product based company and Finland based company.
Right.
Okay, and in that company there was environment like people start working at 9 o'clock sharp in the morning, and at 5:30 all your servers will get shut down
Right.
automatically. इवन आपका जो गेट कीपर है वो आपको कहेगा घर नहीं जाना क्या, मैं ताला लगा रहा हूँ. तो ये था 5:30 से लेके 5:45 तक ऑफिस खाली हो जाता था. And there was a time, there was a new joinee, he was a project manager, he called few of employees on the weekend, and he got terminated because how dare you call employees on the weekend. Okay, but what happened after the 3 or 4 years, that company got sold. Project get terminated, company gets sold out. They set a very high standards. They try to give the flexibility to the employees, the good environment to the employees. That got very famous for the 3-4 years. Everyone was trying to follow them, but that's not how it is going to happen forever. So what happened? The company was dissolved. Company is ended. The company is divided into 3-4 companies, and it's done. Reason? People are not happy in even tourism job. My friend, you heard about Sakshi knows that my friend Vikram, he is in social media matters company in Delhi, right? Sakshi?
Right.
And sir, we know about both that person as well. For that you know about the tourism, that he has an office in like in nearby mall. Remember we
Travel.
me and you went there on one morning in the tourism office. Remember this?
Travel Set Go.
That's my brother-in-law's company.
Yes. So I was thinking about them as well. Among these all things happening in COVID.
Yeah.
So I was like, how they're doing.
In the January first quarter of the 2020, they did a business of at like 1.25 crore.
Right.
And in second quarter, they did a business of 0 rupees.
Right. So they're like,
so everything is going. So, but still they are waiting. Let's see how it goes. And I'm telling you that my friend, at a story of my friend, he is in social media matters. Facebook, Google, Pinterest, Instagram, these companies are paying them for public awareness. And my friend, he used to go on not bike ride, Jeep ride. They have a vehicle, I think XUV 300, not XUV, SUV 300 Mahindra, and sometimes they go to Ladakh, sometimes they go to Mizoram, Sikkim, Chennai, Sri Lanka, Maldives, Rajasthan. They just keep on wandering here, and other people think that okay, wow, यार जिंदगी तो ये जी रहा है.
Right. Yeah.
ठीक है, जिंदगी तो ये जी रहा है, लेकिन पर वो जैसे बोलते हैं ना कि दूसरे की थाली में घी ज्यादा ही लगता है, या फिर कह दो कि दूसरे थाली में लड्डू बड़ा लगता है.
Grass is green on the other side.
हाँ, तो वो कहता है कि यार ये शुरू में तो लगा अच्छा, अब क्या होता है कि यार रोज रोज घूमना है ना, मतलब आपकी फैमिली की लाइफ क्या है. घर वाले कहते हैं कि यार तू घूमते ही रहता है, तो हमारे लिए टाइम कब है तेरे पास, तू गया था 15 दिन बाद आता है. कुछ घर वाले कहते हैं शादी क्यों करी थी अगर तेरे 15 दिन बाद आना है तो.
Yeah, definitely.
So वो चीजें भी हैं. अब वो अपने अब क्या है, बीइंग ए फादर, अब उसके पास बेबी हो गया, तो अब ये होता है कि ना बच्चों से 15 दिन दूर रहना, मतलब बड़ा एक वो लाइफ होती है वो. सो ही डिसाइडेड कि आई वांट टू बी ऑन डेस्क जॉब नाउ, आई डोंट वांट. तो लगता है तो लोग जहाँ पे उसमें भी खुश नहीं है. ठीक है. सो एवरीवन इज डूइंग एवरीथिंग. जैसे कहते हैं ना कि सुशांत सिंह राजपूत का भी सुना है आप लोगों ने, सुसाइड किया उसने, तो ही वाज लिविंग हिज ड्रीम्स. एक्टर बनना चाहता था, बन गया था.
But then again, that's sad, sir. तो सुशांत सिंह राजपूत वाला.
Yeah, that is really sad, but we don't know what exactly happened.
Yeah.
So कुछ ना कुछ तो हुआ होगा, लेकिन पर क्योंकि देखो सब कुछ चलता है, सब कुछ होता है, we don't know. Let's not go that way. तो अभी क्या है कि लोग कहीं पे भी खुश नहीं है, मतलब खुश तो होने के लिए उनको ना आप हर किसी को खुश नहीं कर सकते, ठीक है ना. तो अभी क्या है कि लोग
coming back to the productivity, sir. How do you think like meditation or something like would help Like
Yeah,
everybody.
definitely. I think meditation is must thing for the especially IT person.
Right.
Software developer, being in IT, you must have meditation time,
And
either
meditation.
10 or 15 times before you going to bed, and definitely uh, it is going to help you out because the more you be patient, the more productive you will be.
Right.
आपका नजरिया बदलेगा. आप वर्कआउट करते हो, आपका नजरिया बदलता है, आपकी सोच बदलती है. अब मैं आपको एक बात बताता हूँ, जैसे कि ना
And so,
मैं
should we encourage IT people like should to meditate these days?
हाँ, बिल्कुल होना चाहिए, मेरे ख्याल से तो होना चाहिए बिल्कुल, क्योंकि इससे क्या होगा कि आप जो प्रेशर, मेंटल प्रेशर जो बियर करते हो ना, वो हैंडल हो जाता है और आपकी सोचने का आपका माइंड जितना मन जितना शांत रहता है ना, तो यू कैन थिंक बेटर.
Okay, of course. So
तो
I think earlier in business and in life, many people were not recognizing importance of meditation. Only was recognizing in life. I think for business productivity as well, meditation is helping.
Sakshi, you remember there was this thing that we were talking about a few months back. There is two things, either day one or one day.
Yeah.
Simple thing, day one or one day.
Right.
It's your choice. If you start today, it's day one.
Mm.
If you start after 3 years, it will be one day. When doctor
Yeah,
suggests
right.
now you have less time,
True.
you
Yeah.
have sugar, you have BP, and then you have to do it. Otherwise, it's just
Right.
its choice is yours. Either
I
day
think, I
one.
think this works for
Do what
productivity as well.
time or
In productivity as well, it works like it's like day one or one day.
या अभी मैं बताता हूँ कि 90% ऑफ द स्टाफ, 90% इसलिए बोलता हूँ क्योंकि मैंने देखा ही नहीं किसी को भी प्रोडक्टिविटी में, बहुत रेयर है. इवन अगर मैं कहता हूँ ना कि डेवलपमेंट में just a minute.
It's like airplanes. पूरा हवाई
I
जहाज
think it's a truck.
पूरा
हाँ जी?
हवाई जहाज ही
क्या था ये जो
ये ट्रैक्टर था.
देखा? See, I was wrong.
पूरा हवाई जहाज ही लेके आ जाते हैं हमारे साथ से.
हवाई जहाज भी आता ही थोड़ी देर में आता ही होगा. तो अभी तो वो बंद है ना, इसके कारण कम हो गए, वरना कोई ना कोई आया ही होता है. शाम के टाइम तो बहुत मिलते हैं. तो अभी क्या है कि जैसे बहुत सारे लोग क्या करते हैं कि ना कहते हैं कि हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है. बहुत सारे लोग कर रहे हैं, टाइम नहीं है. जो मैरिड नहीं है वो बंदा ये बोल रहा है ना टाइम नहीं है, उसको तो मैं हाथ जोड़ के पूछना चाहता हूँ, भैया तेरे पास टाइम क्यों नहीं है? राइट. क्योंकि अगर आपके बच्चे नहीं, सो यू मस्ट हैव टाइम. अगर नहीं है तो वीकेंड में करो, निकालो टाइम. नहीं कर निकालोगे टाइम, सो बहुत जल्दी समवन इज गोइंग टू टेक यू ओवर. क्योंकि अभी देखो, अभी क्या है कि आप ये हम जिस लाइन में हम आ गए हैं ना, दिस इज एवर चेंजिंग एनवायरनमेंट, एवर चेंजिंग. जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड. अगर यू आर नॉट जस्ट फॉलोइंग द अपग्रेडिंग योरसेल्फ विद द टाइम, तो नोकिया बन जाओगे बहुत जल्दी.
हाँ. लोग people will forget. Bye bye.
एग्जांपल, नोकिया ने अपने आप को टाइम के साथ अपग्रेड नहीं किया तो नोकिया बाहर हो गया. अब नोकिया आने की कोशिश करता है, लेकिन पर नहीं. ठीक है, लोग वही कहते हैं, मरने के बाद बोलते हैं अच्छा आदमी था. कंपनी थी यार, नोकिया बड़ी अच्छी कंपनी थी, लेकिन अगर आप फोन सैमसंग का ले रहे हो या
हाँ. बिकॉज नोकिया वो प्रोवाइड ही नहीं कर पाता अभी तक.
अब वो अब नहीं हो पा रहा है मैडम. मार्केट चेंज हो गई है, बहुत चेंज हो गया. एक टाइम था जब दुनिया में नोकिया ही चलता था, कनेक्टिंग पीपल्स. टाइम निकल गया.
Right. On the same topic, sir, I was thinking like हमारी meeting में मैंने I was talking so much about TikTok. Like let's do TikTok वाला stuff. Let's do TikTok.
TikTok is gone.
And now TikTok is banned. Like banned.
आपकी लाइफ में तो 4-5 घंटे फ्री हो गए. क्या करेगा इतने टाइम का?
Yeah, because I know what I was talking about. I was talking about like like TikTok should be there in festival sales. TikTok should be there in other zones as well. Now TikTok is banned. So definitely for me as well, the technological change, even now after so many years in industries, like still a new thing, to going forward.
Things keep on changing. This is ever changing environment. अभी क्या होने वाला है कि IT is going to change drastically. हम लोग अभी उसके ऊपर बैठे हैं. लेकिन पर जो लोग डेवलपर अपने को डेवलपर समझ रहे हैं और वर्डप्रेस पे काम कर रहे हैं ना, वो तो लगा लो कि डेवलपर ही नहीं है वो, उनको दुनिया का पता ही नहीं है। हमारे पास 70% पीपल अपने ऐसे होंगे जिनको पता ही नहीं कि टेक्नोलॉजी क्या चल रही है आजकल, लोग क्या काम कर रहे हैं आजकल है ना, लोग
I think sir, that is why coming to office is important. I think we talk about this, sir.
हाँ, दैट इज मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट।
Staying at home would be, it's like the
It's comfortable, but you are not learning, you are not growing.
right, yeah, and then you're not a par with new technology that is coming into the industry.
अभी मैं लिंक्डइन के ऊपर ही आ रहा है कि कुछ लोगों ने कुछ इस टाइप का प्रोग्रामिंग करके कुछ कपड़े, मतलब कुछ क्लॉथ वगैरह का कुछ ऐसा कुछ डिसाइड किया है जो है ना, जिससे छुप जाते हैं आप, इनविजिबल हो जाते हैं।
Invisible.
Oh,
तो इट इज नॉट फेक, it is all related to technology. Sooner or later it is going to happen. Sooner or later it is going to happen. तो आप क्या करो, आपको पता, एटलीस्ट करो ना करो पता तो हो, ठीक है ना, वो क्या रहा है पता तो हो दुनिया में, तो वो चीज़ें वो जरूरी है। सो बीइंग अवेयर ऑफ द न्यू टेक्नोलॉजीज, न्यू थिंग्स इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग। एंड मुझे कभी कभी डर लगता है कि हम नोकिया ना बन जाए, क्योंकि पीपल मूव फ्रॉम नॉर्मल प्रोग्रामिंग टू न्यू टेक्निकल प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस।
So you're breaking once again.
your voice is low actually.
अब ठीक है?
Right.
Yeah.
I think so.
What I was thinking, people are moving from one technology to another technology to another to third technology, third to fourth technology, and we are still working with the WordPress. So biggest challenge is this. अभी क्या हो गया कि कोविड के कारण सिचुएशन ये होगी, जो वेबसाइट हम $900 में या $1000 में करते थे, अब हमारे को $600-500 में मिल रही है। जो काम हमारे को $2000 का मिल रहा था, वो $1200 में मिल रहा है। So
So one more question is this is bit of bit personal question, I'll say, bit personal. See, like is people hiding behind COVID and they are like less paying to other people, like they are leveraging this whole thing as a strategy of
Yeah, this is happening. I had an interview yesterday, and the company.
This is bit unsettling for me.
It is happening everywhere, so we just cannot avoid it, because let me tell you.
Definitely we cannot. Sir, to be honest, like I think it comes with the ugly truth of the society.
Yeah,
things happens. Certain things happens always.
Everyone is trying to take advantage of this. Everyone. Let me tell you one thing. Like we are at Upwork, we are 99% job. We have a 99% job success rate. Okay, and few weeks back, it was 100% job success rate for continuous 3 weeks. Okay, and a company approached me, and they are we are working at the rate of like a $12 to $15 per hour, $18 per hour. They are offering me that this is COVID-19 situation, and our clients are paying less, and I want to work with you, and I can pay you $5 to $7 per hour. Now, thing is, our situation is that we already paid 40% less to the team. Right? So we must have something in hand, so that next job we can raise the cost. There are two things: either we don't get on any project, low cost projects, and we will not get any money, and we will not pay any money. Another thing is, whatever we are getting, just keep on taking the work, and as situation turns in our favor, we will raise the cost. So it means that in the beginning we start taking the work at $5 to $7 per hour, and after getting 2-3 projects, just a minute. After getting 2-3 projects, we can raise the cost like a $12 to $15 per hour, and our priority will be the higher cost projects.
Right.
So either we drop the previous one or the lower cost project, or we put it on hold, or we extend the working time, delivery time. So that's how we have planned, and that's that paid off well. And
right.
We are.
I think so. Let's come back to productivity section. The productivity for the employees that we were focusing on today's talk.
So I was thinking like now by the end of the day, when you send your updates for the day, you just need to plan out mention that कि क्या काम हो गया है, and what you are planning for tomorrow, so that your senior or supervisor knows that कि कल दोपहर को 2 बजे तक का काम तुम्हारे पास है. He can give you more work accordingly. And
I think
if
it definitely takes the pressure off, sir, because to have a whole week of agenda planned, I think that's for me personally it takes the pressure off 100%.
एंड ये डेफिनेटली डज। और अभी क्या होता है कि मनोज को क्या करना पड़ता है कि मनोज को देखना पड़ता है कि आपके पास इतना, आपने अपडेट बताया मैंने ये कर लिया, मनोज को रोज रोज पॉसिबल नहीं है उसके लिए कि वो चेक करे कि आपके पास कल कितना काम होगा, परसों कितना काम होगा। तो आप उसको बता दोगे ना कि मेरे ये 5 काम जो आज के थे ना उसमें से 5 में से 3 कर दिए हैं, 2 कल इतने बजे, एक काम इतने बजे तक होएगा, 5वां काम इतने बजे तक हो जाएगा, एंड देन आई एम फ्री। तो मनोज कैन डू वन थिंग लाइक वेरी फर्स्ट थिंग इन द मॉर्निंग कि आपको टास्क असाइन कर देगा, ठीक है, रादर देन कि आपके जब काम खत्म होंगे तब कहोगे मेरे पास सारे काम खत्म हो गए, नाउ टेल मी व्हाट टू डू। एंड फ्यू पीपल्स इवन नोट टेल कि मेरे पास कोई काम नहीं है। That is the most important thing, and it gives you also plan out कि आज आपको पता है कल सुबह मेरे पास 3 काम है, ठीक है, तो इट मीन्स दैट कल सुबह जब आप आओगे ना तो यू प्री डिटरमाइंड इन योर माइंड कि मैंने ये 2 काम खत्म करने हैं आज, ठीक है।
Like you start on a day like proactively.
Yeah, it is just like a test match. On the very first day, you don't know who is going to start the match and who is going to work on stay on the pitch by the end of the day. But as day ends, you know that who 2 batsmen are going to work. जो आउट हो गए वो तो हो गए हैं, जो हैं अब उनको अगले दिन पता है कि हमें स्टार्ट करना है अगला दिन, और दिस इज द सिचुएशन, और उसके अकॉर्डिंग वी हैव टू बैट टिल लंच, टिल टी ब्रेक और होल डे। तो उसके कारण क्या है कि बंदा मेंटली प्रिपेयर हो जाता है फिर।
Definitely, sir. That's true.
This is the part of most being more productive. And other thing is कि being part of productive is
Right. Like for my schedule, I always make up productivity traps. You know, like there are certain things that actually declines your productivity. You know this short. You know, like doing 3-4 things at one time. You know, planning in a way that you have to do so many things at one time. It always decreases the productivity. I think I call it like productivity traps. So I always try to avoid those things.
This plan doesn't work every time like you doing the multitasking. So for me, multitasking is good. Sometimes I do the multitasking like I am talking to you and I'm just doing something else also. But what happened like sometime while doing multitasking you miss some points. But depend upon the task to task.
Right.
Depend on the task to task also. So
have you ever planned like you know productivity traps, certain productivity traps that you should avoid this in this day, or you know you should not like?
Yes. I start following this thing right from the day I start working from home. Second week start working from home. तो उससे क्या हुआ कि जैसे स्टार्टिंग में क्या होता था कि आप बैठे हो एंड देन ओके अभी मैं एक काम करता हूँ, पानी लाना भूल गया तो लेट्स गो एंड टेक द ग्लास ऑफ वाटर, मैं अंदर जाता हूँ। तो इट इज़ काइंड ऑफ प्रोडक्टिविटी ट्रैप। जब मैं वहाँ जाऊँगा तो वहाँ पर मेरे को मेरा बेटा मिलेगा, वो बोलेगा, अभी 4 बात बोलेगा, फिर मैं उस पर थोड़ा सा खेलूँगा, फिर वो मेरे को 3-4 आवाज़ें मारेगा पीछे से। सो इट मीन्स दैट 15 मिनट्स मोर।
Right.
आई डिसाइड कि या तो पानी मैं साथ में लेके आऊँ या मैं जाऊँगा।
Right.
ठीक है। Second thing, while I'm working, I try to use my headphones so that I don't listen कि क्या हो रहा है। क्योंकि what happens कि working from home आपको पता है कि घर पे बच्चा रो रहा है तो क्या बात होगी।
There is too much distraction.
Yeah, but we have to ignore things. We have. Right.
I think it just comes in the way like productivity traps. Like you cannot handle all things at one time, so it's better to prioritize. Then again, it's just coming back. Prioritize things in a way that you don't fall into the trap which decreases your own productivity in a way, right? Like pani ki bottle and and meals that you're gonna have and how you're gonna sit around a whole day.
If you are sitting in your drawing room and you are working, it means that you are going to have big problem because kitchen आपको बुलाती रहेगी।
Right, yeah. And बाहर से show, of course, अभी पूरा का पूरा plane आपके पास से चला गया।
हाँ, it is because this is distracting me. तो तभी मैं क्या करता हूँ, कई बार शाम के टाइम काम करता हूँ। This distraction is more when we are towards the end of the day. क्योंकि सभी लोग निकल पड़ते हैं, बाहर दिखते हैं तो दे डिस्ट्रैक्ट में कि वो जा रहे हैं, मन करता है कि चल मैं भी घूम ही आता हूँ थोड़ी सा यार, अब बहुत देर होगी काम करते करते। बट फॉर मी इट वर्क्स। रीजन आई वर्क अराउंड 12 to 13 hours a day सो मुझे पता है कि अगर मैं 1 घंटे का ब्रेक ले लूंगा ना तो मैं वापस आके भी काम करूंगा.
Right. Yeah.
But this doesn't work for the employees because you guys have a more sorted life than me. To be
So
frank.
the grass is greener on the other side, 100% on this.
Yeah. So it is always you guys can plan out like after 7 o'clock because everything
Definitely
goes,
we can do that. After 7 we can go, you know, for momos once again.
yeah.
Not
तो
now.
तो अभी क्या है कि ये चीजें हो सकती हैं. और सुशांत, आई थिंक वन मोर थिंग, एक साक्षी, हमें क्या करना चाहिए कि वी नीड टू इन्वॉल्व पीपल ऑन डिफरेंट थिंग्स सो दैट कि वी हैव ए डिस्कशन काइंड ऑफ थिंग. चलो ठीक है, अब हमारा वर्कलोड थोड़ा मनोज के साथ कोऑर्डिनेट करके देखते हैं कि वर्कलोड थोड़ा कम है. सो व्हाट आई वाज
Yeah,
थिंकिंग
so that we can interact with each other, ना interaction होती रहे बीच में.
हाँ, इट इज जस्ट लाइक जैसे कि आप लोगों ने सुना था ना, वो एक सीरियल आया था उसके ऊपर हॉटस्टार के ऊपर AIB. हाँ, कौन?
Hello.
हेलो.
Hello?
एक मिनट, एक सेकंड साक्षी, क्लाइंट का मैसेज आया. Okay, so I think what I was thinking ki we can engage the people, different people on different days in a month or week as per their workload and talk about different things.
I think major would be like, you know,
Ideas. क्योंकि actually I think the kind of discussion Sushant, me and you have sometimes same kind of discussion we have with Manoj, Ekta, even Atit also, a little bit with Ekta, but Atit also. The other side of the person, or you can say other side of the screen, person on the other side of the screen give their input. It is kind of a discussion is kind of thing which is in between two persons.
Right. I think, sir, I think this would start now, since because today we had this pod blog, right? Once I'm going to write about it, and then it's going to be on our website, or it's going to be at least all our employees will be like able to read it, so we would be able to move forward in next topics.
Yes, right.
I think what you are trying is, what I guess get from the talk was like it's a bit redundant. You are talking same things to many people on the same topic once again.
Yeah.
So let's avoid that in going forward.
We are not going to talk about the same topic or same things.
I mean, it happened in the past already.
Yeah, that is okay. That I understand. I mean to say ki if we involve someone else, now next time we might be talking about like technology.
Right.
Okay.
Today we could have talked about micro influencers as well. So.
Yeah, we can talk about micro influencing also. Ki what we plan or kind of thing, or the thing is sometimes we can take like a advice from the people also. So see, this is a situation. Okay, you tell me how you
suggestions and all.
Yeah, how would you have handled this situation differently than how we are doing it?
Okay.
Okay.
We can take it in like 1,000 different directions.
Yeah, and next way is we can talk about like a general life. What type of challenges you are facing these days? Right. We can involve like a 3-4 people in this conversation, and okay, just tell me about the challenges while working from home. How do you feel? It doesn't matter how much productive you are. We are not talking about your productivity. It is all about like
Yeah, we are
how
not
do you
talking about your work. We are just having a general conversation,
general conversation.
just to interact with.
And I think it will help so many thousands of people, because I stay active on LinkedIn, and most of the people say, face similar problems, and the similar solution could work on so many areas of things.
Yeah. Yeah, and what we can do is such as we are recording this conversation, so we can have we can use it like a ORM purpose also. We have a discussion with our team, and they are we discuss about their challenges they are facing these days, general challenges like a food, market, grocery,
Right.
what are their tensions. And one of my friend, he's social media, he told me that they are doing the digital parenting, and he told me that we can ask any question about the digital parenting, create a horizontal video and send it to me.
Right.
So it's such kind of thing like we can ask them, okay, what are the challenges you are facing, just let us know. Maybe possible that later down the road we have some solution for that. Okay, what are your greatest fear for 2020?
Right. Yeah.
Right.
That's it.
It is a little bit different from your day-to-day work and job and all those things. It is kind of relaxing also. Someone is there to listen you.
Right.
It is depressing now. I think it is depressing now. You stuck at your home. You cannot go out of the home. You have fear that your family may suffer, you may suffer, but still you have to do something. So it is good to listen someone.
That definitely, sir. I think it will be very good content for the LinkedIn as well,
Yeah.
from content point of view.
So, Sakshi, we can do is you just talk to Manoj. You find a 1 hour for basic discussion, and we will just send everyone how to be everyone about the meeting. Like at I think team we can have a meeting with the 10 people.
Right. But I think we need we would need a desktop client for this. For if you have to keep a meeting on Team, we can always use Zoom, GeoMeet, or Skype itself.
We can use also, but Skype we are most
Everyone
of
is not using Skype, na?
So that's why we can use the team, and other way around is we can use the I can send invites to all people through Google Meet.
Google Meets here. I think everybody would have Google Meet.
Yeah.
All right, sir. So for now, like I think it's already one and a half hour that we are talking about. So let's conclude today's session, like first pod blog, and I'm super happy that we have this conversation today. And
I think biggest good thing about this kind of conversation is the whole productivity and all those things. And the thing is, there is someone to listen you, so that you
and to respond.
And so that we can have a different kind of conversation other than आज सब्जी क्या बननी है, रोटी क्या बननी है. And you need to understand one more thing, like say your family, your mother, your wife, sister, all stuck at home. They are doing just managing the home and family. So what type of situation they are in now?
Right. So I've been there. I've seen that.
They're very frustrated actually.
Yeah.
Things have massively changed. Because sir, Abhi, for a real time scenario, I think your kid is very small. So my nephew is like 15 years old, and then they from the school where they used to do all the things, now they have shifted to mobiles, and laptop. So it's massive, drastic change in their lifestyles.
Yeah.
How they're coping with it like very fantastically. The best part is that they're talking to each other very much, very in detail.
They are learning new things also.
Yeah. Things, Sean, actually they have more life. Actually, they don't have to like a specific schedule for things. So they're flexible, and we are guys with the more responsibilities. We are grown up men now, so we need to earn, we need to plan future and all those things. So that's why. But according to situation and things, that is good, because they are not going out of home, but still they are managing these things and tackling these things very good way.
Definitely, sir. Because for teachers as well, because earlier teachers would have only one way to teach other like students, या तो मार से या फिर प्यार से, but now they
मार is not allowed nowadays.
And nowadays, like for most of the people learn Messi, but then again, possibility. But
And Sakshi, while we are talking about these things, I could just got an idea also. Like there are many people in our company office. Many people are married. We can have a discussion with their family, like their wife, like मेरी wife को involve कर सकते हैं, मनोज की wife हो जाएगी, अंकज की wife है, रमेश की wife है, पविंदर की wife है.
But I think कुछ उनकी maybe they will not be comfortable.
ऐसे नहीं. We need to talk to everyone first during
Right.
some discussion, during some kind of discussion like this, and so it is going to be a little bit different. Every husband will be there, but all the wives will be speaking. Right. So.
But then it will be our responsibility to make everyone comfortable.
Yeah, obvious, because that's how it is going to work. Otherwise, it is going to be a little bit awkward also.
Right.
But I think it is good. और मे भी पॉसिबल कि हम लोग जब कभी बैठे हैं या बात कर रहे हैं ना, तो हो सकता है वी कैन इन्वॉल्व ओनली लाइक 2-3 पीपल, नॉट एवरीवन, 2-3 पीपल. लाइक मान लो कि 2 बंदे इन्वॉल्व कर लिए, एक कोई भी है ना, जैसे मान लो मनोज को करा, मनोज की वाइफ को कर लिया, अंकज को अंकज की वाइफ को कर लिया, एंड देयर आर कपल ऑफ मोर लाइक अतीत की वाइफ. 3 जने हैं बस, ठीक है. एंड वी आर मैनेजिंग. ओके, सो व्हाट आर द चैलेंजेस यू आर फेसिंग. वो अपनी दुख दर्द कैसे टीवी में बताते हैं ना, जैसे कि मैं बहुत परेशान थी, फिर उसके बाद मेरी जिंदगी में ये आया, और उसके बाद बस मेरी लाइफ जिंगल आला हो गई. सो समथिंग लाइक दैट.
वो तो वाइफ्स तो परेशान ही होंगी अपने हस्बैंड.
नहीं, वो ठीक है, वो जो भी है, लेकिन इट इज जस्ट काइंड ऑफ फन काइंड ऑफ थिंग, a little bit different.
I think within office, I think it could prove to be productive.
Yeah. So it is good कि अगर कुछ होता है, कुछ कैसे करते डिस्कस करते हैं, तो इट इज ए काइंड ऑफ डिफरेंट थिंग. अब हाँ, यही चीज में सुशांत पता है यार, जैसे कि अब वी नीड टू डू सच काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. वी कैन डू दैट, वी कैन प्लान आउट, लेकिन ये चीजें टाइम लेती हैं. Right.
But so the point is that earlier it would be like we could and we should. Now it's time to be like we must. I think we must move to
वही बिल्कुल
with certain directions.
जो मेरा जो बिगेस्ट चैलेंज था ना, वो यही चल रहा था. अभी साक्षी से मैं कई बार बात करता था, जब ये भी प्रॉब्लम आती थी कि प्रॉब्लम क्या है, चैलेंज हमारा क्या आता है कि अब हम सपोज करो कि वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस एंड इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 2 hours नाउ. राइट. अब पीपल थिंक दैट ये 2 घंटे गए, आज के दिन का जो काम था ना, अब वो आज पूरा नहीं होगा. सो अब मंडे को होगा. ये सर की प्रॉब्लम है. मैं तो मीटिंग में था.
मतलब हमारा टाइम तो इन्होंने वेस्ट कर दिया ना, हमने तो करना
है. फिर उसके बजाय फिर पता क्या होता है, कुछ लोग ऐसे, जैसे मैं नाम नहीं लूंगा उनके, कुछ लोग ये कहते हैं कि यार तुम मत करो ऐसी चीजें, हमें काम करने दो. Right.
I think so. It would change. Then again, it would change once they start reading, daily blogs on our website. Like within, like what, when it would be like, I think some people think that it's all just verbal talks. We just talk
but
and talk.
We can plan na that. See, if everyone is reading our blog, right? Then we can get a review from them. Ki
Sakshi ma'am, it would be possible that there would be automatic reviews as well. There would be automatic suggestions, and there would be, people would try to indulge, but it would be hard written, and it would be like more something that they could relate to.
Sushant, I got one idea. Like this conversation is going on. We are recording this whole conversation. We know that, and before starting any conversation, we can have an agenda of the meeting also. Okay. And then we start talking, and while recording this whole conversation, we can use this conversation, post it on our channel. So it means that it is just a basic thing, and below that video, you can write a basic like a meeting minutes kind of thing.
I think so that would be more good from my. To be honest, from my side, it would be more effortless, because it would be like it would be like a pod blog, and with the bullet points, rather than I writing about the whole blog. Of course, we can write a whole blog from this particular.
Let's do one thing. For this conversation, we are not going to post the video, because for this conversation, if we post the video, then it is not going to be work, because we don't know, we get distracted from this point to that point many times. And
okay. I think we can do it with the Spotify thing. On Spotify, it would go perfectly well.
Let's see. Plan out करते हैं पहले तो. Maybe possible we can just edit the video and use some bullet points or some discussions and small captures.
Right. I would say that like let it the audio part with the audio part, and then for the blog thing, I'll write the blog.
Let's not stick with the audio. Stick with the video.
Yeah, like the whole video audio part. It should be like as it is, whatever it is recorded, we could upload it somewhere. Definitely, there would be so many content coming out of it. Whether even if we get distracted to many topics, I think they would be covered further down the line as well.
Let me see if we can edit the video and can have like some brief video about like a 2 minutes, 3 minutes. You are talking about something. 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Sakshi is talking about something.
Definitely.
And
of course,
then,
we can create micro video content from this as well, sir.
Yeah.
Micro video content, like small videos that you're talking about. Definitely that can be done.
Yeah.
Right.
ठीक है साक्षी, अभी एक काम करते हैं सुशांत. I think we are done for today, and let's just do something on this conversation today. Write a blog.
Sir, I would just like to conclude today's meeting, and I just want to say from my behalf, it's fantastically the pod blog does sound a ring, and it does sound like it's going to be something that many people will be doing pod blogs, where they will be using podcasts and blogs within their own community. In this topic, in this particular pod blog, we talk about so much on health and fitness, rather than having extra time in our hand, or having more time would change your productivity or actually not. Because having more time doesn't mean that you are utilizing that particular time in productivity as well, or if you are having extra time. So are you going to more curricular activities or not within the COVID thing? Next we talked about the space, how to manage home and like home, our surroundings, so that we don't get too much distracted, and on the other end, that we should stay inspired while working from home as well, rather than thinking that it's working from home and I should go office. I think productivity can be done from home as well.
Yeah.
And then we talk about food choices. I think we need to revamp how we eat our meals. Like what we used to do earlier, like 7 से 8 परांठे खा लिए 2 बजे, and then you sleep, and then lassi and all. So we need to we can always switch to fruits, and with same amount of money we can have more nutrition.
Yeah.
To ourselves. And then lastly, we talked about the productivity traps, like doing all things at one time or delaying it for another day, and not communicating to the senior people of what needs to be done on the whole month or whole week, to be precise. That would be a productivity trap for everybody.
Yeah.
And
so you see, the productivity trap is calling me from above.
Yeah, Papa kahan ho?
Right, so let's conclude today's podcast, sir.
Yeah.
Right. On this note, all right. Thank you for joining in, sir.
Okay, thanks, Sushant.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you for joining in.
I'll call you back in a few minutes.
Right.
Okay, sir.